You want to know what the 20% rule is in the cell tower industry? It means that 20% or less of the revenue being generated from the cell tower is getting paid to the property owner for leasing that land. And the property owner only gets paid less and less as the cell tower lease goes on throughout the term of that lease, because the cell tower company is adding more and more tenants to the cell tower and generating more revenue, but the property owner is getting the same amount of rent, basically. If you understand how to structure a cell tower lease correctly, you not only get more than 20% initially under that cell tower agreement, your amount of rent will keep on going up based upon the value they're deriving from the land. If you have questions regarding a cell tower agreement, contact us today. Get more money, get a better lease, get vertical.